Hi, this is Roger Bindle with a tutorial on adding 3D text to iClone7 using Blender Fbx files. The first thing to do is delete the default box that shows up. Next, press and hold the Shift plus A key to select text from this drop-down list. The text isn't easy to read in this view, so I went to the View menu and changed the settings for top and front view. You can see it much better then. Now press the Tab key so you can edit the text and enter what you want. You can enter multiple lines. It doesn't center well, so you may have to go back up to reposition the text. Press the Tab key again when you're done editing the text, and next we'll change properties for the text. Next, find the font button to select and change the various properties for the geometry for depth, like extrusion and the bevel depth. To check the outcome of all your settings so far, you can now rotate the view by pressing the R key to rotate one direction, press X to change it to another direction, Y or Z for other directions. Also, you'll need to load some fonts and then select the various fonts. You'll find the fonts under the Windows directory under Fonts. The Folders button is where you'll load the fonts, and the Fonts button is where you'll select which of the fonts you want to apply. And then you can also change paragraph spacing for the letters, words, lines. And the final step is to export as an Fbx file that will be imported into iClone7. And now you can import the Fbx file into iClone7. Once you do, I like to set the pivot point under Attributes to the center so it rotates predictable to me. And also for changing the color, I go under Materials and set the material setter for diffusion color. And that's it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials.